Hello, good people. Welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Homacy Oil Diffuser. Homacy Baby Humidifier is super silent with a noise level of only 28 decibels. With the water capacity of 4.5 L and the high mist output of 280 milliliters per hour. With one sensitive touch control button, Homacy humidifiers. The internal base of this water humidifier is embedded, holding up to 4.5 liters of water. The Cool Mist Humidifier allows. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Air Innovations. Permanent ceramic filters, never needs replaced. Antimicrobial tank and base, freshen your space with pure, clean moisture. Runs up to 120 hours on one tank. Designed to operate quietly for uninterrupted sleep. 5 mist settings, rotating mist nozzle, adjustable humidistat, and more. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Teotronics TTAH001. Quiet operation for bedroom use. 4L tank capacity, works for all night. Built-in humidistat tells you the current RH. Choose to turn on the nightlight, or enter sleep mode to shut off LED screen. Automatically shuts off when water runs out. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Vicks Filter Free. Vicks Filter Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Vicks humidifiers for babies, kids, adults. Cough and congestion relief. Vicks vaporizers, humidifiers, and steam inhalers. Humidifiers for bedrooms, desks, tables. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Pure Enrichment. Ultrasonic Cool Mist Technology. 1.5-liter water tank. Offers soothing glow for maximum relaxation. Turns humidifier off when water level is low. Humidifier, AC power adapter, disc cleaning brush, user manual. Please check the description for details and best price.